So the first thing you want to do to interactively log into GitHub is go to github.com and click on.
Yes.
So actually, technically, there's 3 million organizations at GitHub, 200 million repositories, 72% 1450, and 65 million developers every day on GitHub. And the first
Hmm.
thing you want to do is click on sign up for GitHub after you admire the
That's the
cute
most
little
important part.
ins.
That's the most important part. That's the most important part.
Wow, look at the programming interactive ability on this Earth globe. Yeah, and it's actually very pretty. This astronaut actually is very well programmed by Garus. But anyways, you scroll down, you want to click on and look at GitHub.
I like it.
Oh,
I like
GitHub.
it.
Oh, I like this when it pops up. GitHub.
Yes.
So yeah, always git checkout dash b dash origin dash status dash screens. And technically this is wrong because this is for the case where there's a prime number of files only. And it should technically be slash.
That's
You
outrageous.
don't use the dash b in that situation.
No,
So
obviously not.
yeah.
Obviously not.
Oh my God, Kira intern actually thinks she's so smart. Always. You gotta build and test your programs, but these programs are pretty low level.
Yes. Sometimes I test other people because they're probably very good.
Oh my God, I like clicking.
Yes, almost as much. I would say typing is number one,
Clicking
then
just feels
clicking.
so good in my uterus. Oh, my uterus. I'm gonna have to terminate
Actually,
this
that doesn't make
session.
sense.
I'm gonna have to
Actually,
terminate this
that doesn't.
session.